Oh, the Royal Palace. Morning. Welcome to Budapest. And I'm riding the official Budapest castle. Here's the Royal Palace. Royal Palace right here.
Chain bridge, Parliament.
What an amazing view. Alright, there up at the hill is the Royal Palace. And this one is the chain bridge. Chain bridge. And right there, oh, that's not seen. No. Now I think we're going to the castle. Okay, beside me is our driver. It's right here.
Cat in the window.
What?
The cat in the window.
Oh, a cat in the window. Hi there, cat.
The Matthias Church.
What?
The church.
The church.
Matthias.
Matthias Church. And
The fisherman's bastion.
the fisherman's
Bastion.
bastion. Wow. Hey! Wow! Wow!
Buddy, look to your left.
Look
To your left.
Wow! This is the Buda Castle. Wow! Castle. Is hindi, aakyat tayo. Iaakit nila tayo. Malamang bababa tayo dyan. Tingin ko lang. Pero hindi ako siguro.
This is a nice view from here to the city. That's not
Yeah, it's a nice view. The Prime Minister building. Oh, look at the kid. Ayan o, ganda o. Wow. Colorful. Wow.
This is the financial ministerium, the Matthias Church at the Hilton.
Financial Ministry
Next to you,
and then the church.
the church for
Yeah.
using, right? The fisherman.
And the fisherman. Wow.
The lady in red. You see the lady in red?
Yeah. What's that? This is the Matthias Church, I think. Matthias Church. Wow. Look at that. Very beautiful church. And are you a picture? Wow, Castle District. The Castle District. Wow. Look at the Castle Districts. Very nice. So lovely. Pakaganda. Beautiful church. Right there, someone is modeling. May nagmo-model. Talaga naman. Ang lamig, sarap. Ganda na simbahan, no? Saint Stephen. Hungarian. But this is the Halas Bastia Fisherman Boston Castle District. Yeah, I think it's Castle District because castle yung pasad niya sa labas. Ano, it's like a kingdom. As you can see, the surroundings. This is the view of Hungary. Right? The whole Hungary is here. Look at that, man. Chain bridge is right there. Yung nakikita nyong bridge yan, may bridge po dyan. Chain bridge ang tawag po dyan. And
yung kabilang side, pest na yan.
This one is Buddha.
Pest.
Yeah, on this side, yung kinatatayuan ko, yan, ito. This is what they call Buddha. And this one is a pest. That other side yan, bali Budapest, parang ganun. Pinag-combine nila before during the time na hati pa yung kingdom nito. The empire of this Hungarian empire was in half. Hati pa sila. So this one is Buddha and that one is Pest. But when they combined together, the Hungarian empire was combined. This is the big city.
Budapest.
Kaya tinawag nilang Budapest. Yeah. Because of the
Oh my goodness.
And since this is the biggest city and district here, during yung pagkakaisa na nila, nag-unite na sila, nag-unite na yung Hungarian Empire. It was now called Budapest kasi nga Budapest, Hungary kasi ito na yung kinonsidered nilang pinaka-capital nila. And anyway, ipicturean ko muna yung aking mama. Yan. Once again, this place is called the Buddha, and that's one is not the Buddha golden. This one is the Pest. So they were united after nung tapos na yung mga panahon ng communist, tama ba? Nung mga ibang parang gano'n, basta yung panahon magulo sila, nagkaisa na sila. Nagkaisa na yung Hungarian Empire. Pinagsama nila yung Buddha and Pest. Kasi nga, since ito yung pinakamalaki lugar nung nasasakupan ng Buddha, nasasakupan ng Pest. So ngayon, ang ginawa nila, pinag-unite nila yung city na to at ginawa nilang capital ng Hungary, yung Budapest. Based on sa pagkakaintindi ko. So I hope tama naman yung pagkakaintindi ko. At ulitin natin guys, this is now Budapest. Wow, grabe. Ang ganda ng view, men. Nakakabaliw, nakakaiyak. Anyway guys, akala nyo mainit no, maaraw. Hindi ako naka-jacket. Hindi kami naka-jacket. Pero sa totoo po, malamig. Kumbaga dito, maaraw. Mataas yung araw, mainit. Sinabi nila 22, 23, 24. Pero guys, yung paligid, para kang may aircon. It's like there's an air condition in my surroundings. Although the temperature yung aerial temperature niya is 22, 23 pero 23 degrees Celsius, pero yung hangin niya malamig, no? Anyway guys, yan, sige, standby muna, magki-picture din ako ng sarili ko. Wala pa akong picture at may sexy tayo ba doon, no? What a wonderful surrounding. Wow. Look at that. Perfect architecture. And here is Saint Stephen, the first king of Hungary who converted the whole Hungarians to Christianity. Hey, I'm just trying. My first time in YouTube.
Okay.
Maybe I get lucky.
I'm gonna see myself in there.
Oh, okay. And yeah, look at that, man. Wonderful, wonderful architecture. And this one is once again Saint Stephen, the first king of Hungary, and he turned Hungary into a Christian country. And yeah, that's it. And they thought that I'm a YouTuber. I'm not that great YouTuber. And our fellow tour mates. Ay, papasok sa simbahan. Pasok tayo, pasok, pasok. It's time to get inside the church. I wanna get inside. Let's get in. Bawal? According to a friend beside me here, there's a 17th, right there you see a Starbucks there. Saint Stephen's 17th century Starbucks. It's right here.
How you know what they drink?
The people during the 7th century were drinking coffee. They're drinking macchiato. They're drinking like green tea or
Before battle.
before battle. We're gonna drink cafe latte. During that time, no one imagines there was
Vente.
hey, they say vente or like that. Now, look
Picture
at
time again, everybody. Picture
your time.
You know, press it hard and then you can go through.
Press.
So
Oh, no.
just
I have
enjoy
the
your
bag.
little time, everybody.
Yeah,
You
as
have
you
like
can see.
15 minutes.
No, I'm
to
just
take it,
discussing
you know,
something.
as I'm trying to
As you can see, the sun is very high, but yeah, but it's very cold.
Before battle.
It's like imagine niyo there's imagine 24 degrees Celsius, but there's an air condition outside your house. That's what I feel. And look at that, someone is modeling right there. Wow, models, lots of people, models.
Like almost the same. Oh.
You missed a special site.
Yeah.
They have the people.
Okay, sorry.
Standing like this.
We saw that in the San River Cruise. There are lots of maybe young people, not teenagers, but maybe early 30s.
Okay.
When they saw that.
And as you can see the surroundings, a lot of people are not wearing their jackets, but some are wearing their jackets. Like this guy here is wearing a coat. Some people are wearing their jackets. Honestly, according to the weather update for today is like 22 or basta mainit daw sabi. It's hot, but even though it's hot, imagine mainit hot temperature outside your house, but there's an air condition outside your house, so it's wow, you get colds, no? So imagine that 22, 23 degrees sa atin, pawis na pawis ka na dito. 22, 23 degrees, hindi ka pinagpapawisan kasi parang may aircon po sa labas ng bahay, sa labas. Ngayon, kung hindi ka sanay sa lamig, posible na magja-jacket ka talaga, especially sa mga Pilipino, hindi sila sanay sa lamig. Siguro yung ganitong parang may aircon nga sa labas, magja-jacket ka na talaga. Pero sa mga iba, parang common lang po sa kanila to, hindi sila baliwala sa kanila yung lamig, o baliwala sa kanila yung ganitong temperature. Pero yung mga bay, kita mo naka long sleeve, naka jacket, yung iba. Anyway, alis na kami. Like itong tour guide namin, naka jacket, yung iba naka jacket, no? Alis na kami, lilipat naman kami ng ibang site. Ang ganda ng paligid. Okay, the bush.